metabolic homeostasis, which is the absolute functioning of our cells in the appropriate way, organ cells, and it's called metabolic homeostasis. When you're basically a very healthy person, you're in metabolic homeostasis. So what's happening is our bodies are falling out of metabolic homeostasis as the result of a variety of insults from largely from the environment, diet, and lifestyle, and these kinds of things. But when you look back and say what is responsible for maintaining in metabolic homeostasis, and it comes back to our mitochondria within the cells, the organelle that ultimately is responsible for the metabolic homeostasis within individual cells and within the body as a whole. So this organelle, when it becomes corrupted or dysfunctional, can manifest this problem in many different ways: cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, depending on the tissue and the cells of the individual. In cancer, we know for sure that every major cancer that I have studied has defects in the number, structure, and function of the mitochondria. Yeah. And this then causes the cells to fall back on a primitive form of energy, which is fermentation, and that leads to dysregulated cell growth. So I have a very clear idea of the origin of cancer and how to manage it. The ramifications of these to, say, other chronic diseases, we always find a mitochondrial connection. It may not be always the same as what we see in cancer.